Welcome to How to Make a Monthly Reset Routine and Why You Need One. Monthly resets are becoming more and more popular because they allow you to take a look back at the past month, look at your successes, and reflect on what you want to work on for the next month in both your business and your personal life. Combined with weekly resets every Monday or whenever your work week begins, you can start having a more productive business and a more balanced life. So, what is a monthly reset? Resets are a powerful and effective way to reflect on your life, make plans, and set goals. It's also a great time to schedule appointments, do some self care, and clean and organize your home or workspace before a new month begins. With a monthly reset, you're going to go through 3 basic stages: journaling and reflection on the recent month, tasks that help you set yourself up for a healthy and productive month ahead, and setting goals for your next month. So here are the 7 most important tasks for setting up your monthly reset routine. Number 1, journal a brain dump about your month. Before trying to organize your reflections on the past month, it helps to start with a brain dump. The brain dump simply allows you to get all of those many thoughts and feelings out of your head and onto paper. When they are in our heads, thoughts can be circling around each other, and just to single one out can feel like trying to find our way through a maze. This happens to everyone. But a brain dump will allow you to write out each thought and feeling and start making some sense of that maze of thoughts and ideas. And how do you do a brain dump? Well, it's simple. You just write. This is the easiest form of journaling since you don't have to focus on a specific topic or even think about what you're trying to accomplish with the journal entry. All you're doing is writing whatever comes to your mind and whatever speed and in whatever order. You don't need to write a story that makes sense. You should never worry about jumping from one topic to the next. Just get out a journal, notebook, or piece of paper and start a stream of consciousness page where you write whatever's on your mind about the last month. You may notice that journaling can start slowly, but can pick up as you think of more and more thoughts and ideas you want to unpack. How much to write? Well, the great thing about brain dumps is that there are no rules, including how much you should be writing. Maybe a half page or maybe more than 5 pages. It really depends on how much you have on your mind right now and what you're trying to work through in your thoughts. If it helps, you can try to focus on thoughts about the past month and what you wanted to get done, but don't feel pressured to write about just that. The object here is to make sense of your current thoughts, pull out any important ideas or feelings you have, and gain some clarity on what's going on in your business and your life right now. The second step is to reflect on the past month. Once you have done your brain dump, it's time to reflect and get more specific about the past month. This is a big part of the monthly reset as it can help you to understand the progress you've made, what challenges or obstacles you experienced, what you're grateful for, and what you want to work on for the next month. Here are some questions to answer that will help you do that past month reflection. What are you proud of? What was challenging for you? What obstacle kept you from achieving your goals? What goals did you have for this past month? What goals did you accomplish? What are you grateful for? And what do you want to change next month? If you are brand new to monthly resets, you might not have a detailed list of what you wanted to accomplish in the previous month, and that's okay. Just write down what's inspiring you to start working on creating a monthly reset routine for each month and what new ideas or thoughts you had recently. Step 3 is to set goals for the next month. So these can be anything that you're hoping to accomplish. And remember that you only have 1 month to focus on them, so it shouldn't be something that's impossible to reach. The number of goals you have is completely up to you, but think about the different areas of your life. For example, you might have health and fitness goals, work and business goals, budget and financial goals, housework and organizing goals, or other personal life goals. Go through each area of your life and think about what you really want to get done. Now, this is not when you think about errands to run or appointments you have, that comes later. For now, just think about 3 to 5 main things that you want to accomplish in this coming month. For example, if you have a YouTube channel for your business, maybe you want to do one new video every week for the month. Or maybe you have a subscriber count goal that you want to reach in the next month. Number 4, review your budget and finance goals. A really good habit to add to your monthly reset routine is reviewing your budget and finances and setting some new goals for the month. It's a good idea to look back on what you spent money on in the previous month and make notes of where you stayed in your budget, where you went over your budget, and what areas you want to focus on for this upcoming month. And here are some questions to consider. Are you spending too much on new software or office equipment? Do you have a specific budget area that needs work? Do you have a new savings goal for a personal development training or live event you want to go to? What are your main budget goals right now? Don't just think about your regular budget in terms of bills you have to pay and basic expenses, but also if you have any short or long-term savings goals. Step 5 is to create a marketing plan for the month. It can be helpful to have a marketing plan for the next month. Just having a general overview of what your marketing schedule will look like for the month is helpful. Start your monthly marketing plan by first writing down on a calendar what days you know you will be promoting a product or event. These might be events such as webinars, product launches, flash sales, or affiliate promotions. From there, you can start writing down some content ideas that you have. You don't have to plan out every single piece of content for the month, as this is often easier to do on a weekly basis. But for now, just write down any ideas you have. Number 6 is to schedule appointments and set up your calendar. Why not get your calendar ready for the month? You're probably used to working with a calendar or planner for basic weekly and monthly tasks, but in the monthly reset routine, it's a good time to go one step further. Consider some of these tasks for your reset this month. Schedule appointments you may have been putting off. Put important dates for the month on the calendar. Schedule important phone calls. And schedule tasks for the monthly goals that you have. Number 7, clean and organize your home office. Last but not least, consider doing some decluttering, cleaning, and organizing as part of your monthly reset. Even if you clean on a weekly basis, there are some tasks you might only get around to once a month. They may include going through your long-term to-do list for big projects, writing down the smaller tasks you can do next month for that project, going through and organizing digital files, backing up your hard drive, organizing cluttered spaces, and even cleaning the windows. In addition to what you want to get done during the monthly reset, you can also add some tasks to your monthly calendar to do the following month. As you can see, doing a monthly reset routine is neither difficult nor overwhelming. Here are the steps as a summary. Journal a brain dump about your month, reflect on the past month, set goals for the next month, review your budget and finance goals, create a marketing plan for the month, schedule appointments and set up your calendar, and clean and organize your home office. Once you get started with it, it can be as simple as reflecting on the past or current month, setting up some goals for next month, and doing some tasks that help you set up for a productive month in the future. Would you like to have a template to print out and fill in instead of trying to do your monthly reset alone? Well, I've created a workbook that guides you through the process so that in less than an hour, you can go through your monthly reset. And it comes with a journal and it's only $9. And you can get it at iaplifecoaches.org/monthly-reset-workbook.